Intuitive advantage. How to make decisions that always move you forward. You're faced daily with countless choices. Opportunities, challenges, uncertainties. Overthinking leads to paralysis. Guessing leads to frustration. But imagine having a decision-making compass that always points clearly to your best next move. In Master Key System Chapter 17, Charles F. Haanel teaches, intuition is your inner mind's guidance system. Trust it. Top performers know that intuition isn't mystical. It's a skill. A skill you can cultivate to consistently achieve professional success, reduce work stress, and navigate your career confidently. Get familiar with the intuitive decision-making ritual. Next time you face a decision, pause and ask yourself just one question. What feels most aligned with my clear vision? Don't overthink. Trust your immediate response. With practice, this intuitive clarity becomes automatic, guiding you toward aligned, purpose-driven actions every day. This powerful habit builds genuine self-awareness at work, improves your emotional intelligence, and enhances your ability to lead yourself and others consciously. You've now strengthened your intuitive advantage. But what happens when fear or doubt interferes with trusting your intuition? In our next episode, we reveal how to move beyond fear and trust your inner guidance fully. Next, fearless focus. How to trust your inner guidance at work. Ready to stop second-guessing and start trusting your inner wisdom? Subscribe now. Your intuition is your greatest professional advantage.